Welcome back, dearest viewers. It is Dodu Rangers and Pulwama Gymkhana in an important clash of Royal Knockout Cricket Tournament Pulwama. Dodu Rangers, who batted first, posted a mammoth total of 177 runs on board. 2 overs have been bowled. I beg your pardon for being a bit late. 2 overs have been bowled and the target for Pulwama Gymkhana is 178 runs. Batsman Kusumada. Akil, the left-hander, and Adil Rishi out in the middle there. Down the leg, surely be called a wide. Yes, it is. Good work done by wicket-keeper there. After the stump plays defensively to the coverage, and there cannot be any runs. Junaid Dar is bowling to Akil, the left-hander. On the other side, it is Captain Cool, Adil Rishi. Let's wait and see what happens next. They know that they'll have to score 178 runs to win this clash. Slow leg delivery, straight in the hands of Faisal. Okay, lefty walks back. The left-hander is gone. Sohail Pal takes a good catch to dismiss Akil lefty. Wicket number 1 goes down. Earlier the day, when Gymkhana won the toss, they decided to bowl first. They invited Dodu Rangers for batting. The exceptional today was Amir Aziz with his bowling, who bowled 4 overs, took 4 wickets, gave away 15 runs. The star in the batting of Dodu Rangers was Goli Gulzar, who scored 78 of 27 deliveries. Amir Aziz scored 40. Amir Sofi, in fact, scored 46 runs of 26 deliveries. It is highlight of Dodu Rangers in today's innings. But now Junaid Dar, who has struck early today in his second over, I guess. It is Asif Ramzan who has walked after the departure of Akil lefty. One more left-hander. The shot selection was poor, as we can say. The ball was outside the stump. He could have driven that one. He could have played that all along the ground, but he managed to play into the hands of fielder. Placed at third slip in the palm of Sohail Pal, who took a good catch to dismiss wicket number 1. Syed Kamran Bukhari says Adil Wani scored 6 runs today. Here is Junaid Dar. Comes and bowls to Asif Ramzan, wraps him on the pad, down the leg, half-shafted appeal from Junaid Dar. There is no damage. Asif Ramzan is still safe in his crease. He is confirming the guard from his umpire. Look at the field positions. Attacking field positions. Four men on the offside, 4 on the on, couple of slips as well. This one played into the gap. Asif Ramzan, this is beautiful. The field is running behind the ball. He won't be able to cut it off. The ball races to the fence for 4 runs. Kashmiri Zahid wants to know score. It's 11 for the loss of 1 wicket. Third over in progress. Faisal Gulzar wants to know Adil Guldan score, please. He scored 4 runs. For those who have tuned to us late, it is Royal Knockout Cricket Tournament Pulwama. An important clash is being played between Dodu Rangers and Pulwama Gymkhana. Dodu Rangers batting first, posted a good total, 177 runs on board. Thanks to that blistering knock from Goli Gulzar. A pure power hitting, we would say, who scored 78 of 27 deliveries. Amir Sofi, who played a good hand of 46 of 26 deliveries. The star in the bowling of Pulwama Gymkhana was Amir Aziz, who bowled 4 overs, gave away 15 runs and took 4 wickets. Yawar Payaz and Shakir Ali, in fact, with Moment, they have same question. Which batsman has departed? It is Akil, who has walked back to the pavilion without troubling the scorers much. He could not score. It was 7 when the first wicket fell. The score now is 12 for the loss of 1 wicket. This is 4th over in progress. Lone Sajjad, right centre पे 7th थे, फिर किसने किया? They were struggling, they were suffering. It was Guli Gulzar who wreaked havoc, I would say, who played superb shots. I guess he has smashed 6 or 7 sixes in his innings. He took Faisal for 31 runs in that 1 over. That changed the scenario of the game. Here is Jahid Trag with his daunting pace. Oh my God, coming into the right hand. Adil Rishi was desperately looking for a single. Amir Supi at the point region covered the ball quickly into his hands and was looking very quickly to head a shy. But Adil Rishi was well safe in his crease. We can hear the shouts and the body language of Dodo Rangers, as this has been always their game. Zahid Kashmiri Zahid says, "Sir, please tell me the highlights of the match so far." Let me tell you, this is Royal Knockout Cricket Tournament Pulwama. Pulwama Gymkhana won the toss. They invited Dodo Rangers to bat first. Dodo Rangers were losing wickets in quick successions, but then it was Amir Sopi who scored 46 runs off 26 deliveries. And then they were still struggling at around 80-90 for 7. But then it was Guli Gulzar who played superb knock of 77 runs of just 27 deliveries to take his side to a good total, to a mammoth total, I would say. This one, Adil Rishi came down the track, played the ball over the top of cover. There is an addition to the total, a couple of crews. The score has gone up to 14 for the loss of 1 wicket. Puneet, our well-wisher, says, "Nice commentary." Thank you very much, Puneet. We are indeed going with your love, going with your support. Slower one from Jahid Trag. Adil Rishi was equally vigilant. He waited for the delivery, smashed it pretty hard over the top of point for a 6. First 6 of the match, of the innings, in fact. Adil Rishi, he needs to stick there for a long time. He knows that his side has a long work to do, has a long job to do. So he needs to be there at least till the score of 100 or more than that. Maqbool wants to know RACC ka match kab hai. RACC's match will be decided once the pictures are out. We will be sharing those with them. This one, quicker delivery, similar type of a stroke, similar type of a result, back-to-back sixes. Shatwaya. 26 runs for the loss of 1 wicket. This is 4th over in progress. Zahid Kashmiri Zahid playing 11 of batting team, please. Pulwama Gymkhana have very new faces in today's game. They are led by Adil Rishi, Akil, Asif Ramzan, Nazir Tiger, Saqib Nazir, Faisal. They have got a couple of new faces as well. I will be sharing with you all in a jiffy. Rehan says, Misho King. Jahid once again played defensively. When Adil Rishi knew that there is a protection at the deep point, he played the ball defensively, just guided it. In the meanwhile, batsmen crossed their ends and crossed over for a single. 27 for the loss of 1 wicket after the completion of 4 overs. Sheikh Bilal says, Rishi Storm King, Adil Rishi. Adil Rishi is king. We all know about him, his capabilities, his capacities, what he has done in his life. He has devoted his entire life to the cricket of Valley and is being known among the popular stars. Mir Adil, my dearest friend, Assalamu alaikum wa alaikum assalam. Mir Adil, I miss that Kabir we once visited back in Delhi. I hope you remember that quite well. Wasim says, scored please and wicket fall. The score is 27 for the loss of 1 wicket. 4 overs have been bowled. Akil is the lone man who has gone. Adil Rishi, goodness me, what a good looking stroke this is for a 6. He came a bit forward, made space for himself to free his arms, smashed the ball over the top for a 6. 33 runs for the loss of 1 wicket. Wasim Ahmad Dadu is low. Dadu Rangers, we all know about them. They've got superstars in their side. Meanwhile, it is Junaid Dar now, who is bowling his third over. Over number 5 of the innings, 33. This one in the air, straight in the hands of Sohail Pal again. Goodness me. Adil Rishi has been trapped. Down the leg, he was looking to work it fine, but managed to play the ball straight into the hands of fielder in the form of Sohail Pal, who took a simple catch to dismiss Adil Rishi. The 2 wickets fell in the same place, I would say. The first one, he was Akil, who was a left-hander, who guided the ball in a similar type of a way. Sohail Pal took that catch as well, and Sohail Pal took this catch as well. Mudassir Ahmad Malik sends his love. Thank you very much, Mudassir. Wasim Ahmad says, specifically Asif Manzoor Dar, Junaid. Asif Manzoor, popularly known as Asif Mars, he is not playing today. Junaid Dar has been exceptional so far. He was part of that long partnership between Guli Gulzar and him. Although his contribution was minor, but staying on the wicket was what they were needing at the time. They were struggling at around 80 for 8. But then Guli took the charge. On the other side was playing Junaid Dar. Riyaz Dar says, Shabbat Dadu Rangers. Dadu Rangers are successful till now. "33 for the loss of 2 wickets. Khan Suhail, I hope you are listening. It is 33 for the loss of 2 wickets. It is 15th over in progress. Pulwama Gymkhana are chasing 178 runs. Wani Jasim wants to know, the first one to go was Akil, the left-hander. The last one to go, Adil Rishi, the captain of Pulwama Gymkhana. Mir Muzaffar, score show क्यों नहीं हो रहा? That picture is not available right now. Tanzila नहीं charge लगा? Wani Jasim says, thank you. You are most welcome, sir. Wasim Ahmad says, if Dar Junaid takes 4 wickets for his team, 1000 award from Wasim Telecom, Anchadora. A good gesture from Wasim Ahmad. He has kept 1000 rupees cash reward for Junaid Dar if he takes 4 wickets in today's match. Remember Wasim, he has taken 2 wickets so far. Khan Sohail says, thank you, sir. Nice commentary. Thank you very much. Wasim Ahmad, surely I will be able to tell him, but please drop your full details.
Ya beraber Wasim Bhai. Night watch में ना
We are back. The newcomer is batsman Rob Bashir, the toe breaker known for his Bowling, we all know about him. Junaid Dar in his full swing. He has taken 2 wickets that have fell so far. It is 5th over in progress. 33 for 2. Farhan Wani, which team from Chopin participate in this tournament? I don't know about that. We'll confirm later on. Ishfaq Sopi wants to know score. It is 33 for the loss of 2 wickets. Pulwama Gymkhana are chasing 178 runs. Ishu Ishfaq out code kon hua. Akil and Adil Rishi. They have walked back to the pavilion. Samar Khan, our well-wisher, says score kitna karna hai. 178 is the target. वसीम टेलीकॉम अंचडोरा 1000 रुपया अपनी तरफ से गिफ्ट देगा जुनैद डार को अगर वो 4 विकेट ले जाएंगे. प्लीज कन्वे वसीम भाई, योर मैसेज हैज बीन कन्वेड. I have conveyed your message to Sohail Pal. I hope he will convey the same to Junaid Dar. Here is Junaid. Down the leg. Will this be called a wide? Yeah, this is called a wide.
No worries.
Ishfaq Sopi, Dodo में सबसे ज़्यादा स्कोर किसने किया? Dodo Rangers. It was Gulzar Guli who scored 78 of 27 deliveries and Amir Sopi who scored 46 of 26 deliveries. Rest of the other batsmen, most probably 6 or 7 of them were not able to cross. 5 or 6 out of them were not able to cross double figure mark. Samar Khan, thank you. You are most welcome. Munib Gulzar Adil Rishi is the king. He is king, but he could not impress much today, like Guli Gulzar did, like Amir Aziz did, like Amir Sopi did, and like Junaid Dar so far has done. Ishfaq Sopi, thank you very much. Thank you, sir. You are most welcome. Here is Junaid Dar once again. Aggressive type of fielding led by captain Adil Wani. Junaid Dar to Asif Ramzan. Dodo Rangers, they know the importance of this wicket. If Asif Ramzan keeps on going, we'll have a different story, a different scenario. If Kaftam plays defensively, there cannot be any runs. Rehan says he's king, but Misho. Munib Ahmed says, my favorite player Asif Mars. He is indeed favorite of all of us with his technique and the way he is smashing the ball. Wasim Ahmed wants to know playing 11 of batting team, please. In the batting team, they have got Akil, they have got Adil Rishi, they have got Saqib Nazir, Faisal, Asif Ramzan, Rauf Bashir, Amir Aziz, Nazir Tiger, and many others. There is a bowling change. Wasim Raza has been introduced into the attack. The ball took the edge of the bat, went between the legs of the batsman. Fielder is running behind the ball, and the batsman, in the meantime, crossed over for a couple. Sarwar Shabir Wani, Adil Rishi is the most top-rated player in Kashmir. Adil Rishi is love. Absolutely, he is raw. He is love. Rehan says Misho King with his Misho army and his Misho fans. Rehan, this is not understandable. If you elaborate this, it will be more precise. Wasim Ahmed says Wasim Raza is also kidney. Wasim Raza is kidney of most of the cricket fans of Valley. Wraps him on the pad. Loud appeal. Not out. In fact, the ball took the edge of the bat. Rauf Bashir is signaling this. Same is signaled by umpire. We cannot do anything to this. Rob Bashir is safe in his crease. Wasim Raza once again bowling to Rob Bashir. Rob Bashir goes to the backward place defensively. They are looking for a quick swing. Direct hit might put him in trouble. No, goodness me. There was a bad bounce when Gully was backing up that throw. Luckily for him, although the ball got a bad bounce, but it was lucky for him that he is safe. Mir Nasir Adilwani is playing in this match. Yes, Adilwani is playing. He is captaining the side of Dodo Rangers in this match. Wasim Raza once again. He was looking to loft this one. Rob Bashir could not get the elevation right. Managed to play the ball towards mid wicket. There is an addition to the total. A single cruise. With this single, the score goes up to 40 for the loss of 2 wickets. This is 5th over in progress. 6th over in progress. The last over of power play. Kaisar Ali. Wasim Raza is low. Wasim Muhammad says wicket alert. Let's wait and see. It is Asif Ramzan, the experienced campaigner of the side. Wasim Raza plays defensively on the onside for a comfortable single. This track is very slow today. There was a lot of rains. With the rain has made the wicket a bit slow, which is making it difficult for the batsmen to play the ball according to the way they used to play. They've got quality sweeteners, 2 quality sweeteners, Dodo Rangers, 1 in the palm of Wasim Raza, 1 in the palm of Gawhar Lagi. He was trying to make room. Rob Bashir managed to play the ball defensively to the point. There cannot be any runs. End of over number 6, 41 for 2. So after the completion of 6 overs, it is 41 for the loss of 2 wickets. There's a bowling change. Gawhar Lagi has been introduced into the attack. The first one was a short of length delivery. Asif Ramzan cuts well, but straight into the hands of Wasim Raza at point. There cannot be any runs. As Gawhar Lagi will be bowling to. He will be bowling to Asif Ramzan. Comes and bowls outside the off stump. He cuts well into the gap as well, but there is a protection in the deep. The fielder from deep point region cuts the ball. There is a bit of fumble. In the meantime, the batsman crossed over for a couple. Gawhar Lagi once again will be bowling to Asif Ramzan. Asif Ramzan heaves this one. The type of energy he's transforming on the ball, but he's not getting the gaps right. He managed to put a single. 44 for 2. This is 7th over in progress. Kaisar Bhatt wants to know out kon hua. The first one to go was Akil, the left-hander, and the second one to go was Adil Rishi. Salpi Abid Bashir, score update please. Pulwama Gymkhana are chasing 178 and they are 44 for the loss of 2 wickets. This is 7th over in progress. Once again, Gawhar Lagi to Rob Bashir. Rob Bashir slashed his hands. The ball is racing to the fence, but there's a good effort by Adil Guldan, I guess. Yeah, he's on the deep point region. He cut the ball before reaching the boundary. There is an addition to the total. A single cruise. With this single, the score moves up to 45 for the loss of 2 wickets. Gavaligi once again outside the off stump. He lets it go through to wicketkeeper. There is no signal from the umpire. Asif Ramzan thinks that the ball was too much away from him. Should have been called a wide, but it is not like this. Wasim Ahmad has mentioned Gawar Legi. Mir Nasir, Adil Wani. This one has been lofted across for a maximum. Asif Ramzan comes into play. A huge 6. 51 for the loss of 2 wickets after the completion of 7 overs. Junaid Dar, there is an announcement from him for you. Wasim Telecom, Anchidora will give you 1,000 rupees if you take 4 wickets. Wasim, your message has been conveyed. Junaid, please wave hands. Thank you very much, Junaid. Mir Nasir says Adil Wan ne kitne runs bana? He scored 6 runs. Mir Farhan, the target is 178. Pulwama Gymkhana are chasing 178 runs to win this clash. It is Wasim Raza who will continue from the stadium end. 51 for 2 after 7. Rob Bashir plays the ball to the deep cover region. There is an addition to the total. A single accrues. 51 was the score. It has now gone up to 52 for the loss of 2 wickets. Hello? Stadium. This one, Asif Ramzan cuts well. There's a bit of misfielding. There's a chance, run of chance. Oh my God. The throw was not good. Akayi shot. And Wasim Raza could not grab the ball in his hands. There is one shot signaled by umpire, so only 1 run will be considered. Muda. 53 for the loss of 2 wickets. This is 8th over in progress. Here is Wasim Raza. Wasim Raza will be bowling to Asif Ramzan. Asif Ramzan plays. After the off stump, he was looking to cut, but the ball Supan Ambit came to the right-hander. He had difficulty in playing that delivery, but managed to play to the point. There cannot be any runs. Mohammad Irfan, Arham Enterprises, all disposal and marriage items, wholesalers and retail sweet shop. This one has been smashed towards long on for a huge 6. Asif Ramzan once again. Mohammad Irfan says, Arham Enterprises, all disposable and marriage items, wholesalers and retail sweet box, jar box, plate and glass, etc. available near Women College. Contact number 6005610020. Any of the brother or any of the household who is requiring such kind of items. We all know that it is a season of celebrations, ceremonies in our Kashmir. Anybody who is requiring any kind of such item may contact the same Mohammad Irfan. We expect that he will give a discounted rate. Any client who comes through our page. Here is Wasim Raza once again to Asif Ramzan. Oh my God, he's played on. Outside the stump, he was looking to cut this one. The ball took the inner edge of the bat and dislodged the timber. There was no celebration from Wasim Raza whatsoever. That's why he is cool, calm, composed, gentle, noble, whatever I would say. Among the best cricketers of the valley I have ever met. Arif Nabi says Asim Mars Haika. No, he is not playing today's match. Arif Nabi says, yeah, Asim Mars, kya is Gary. We don't know about that. You can confirm from the officials. Innocent Faisal says, kitne run karne hai? The score is 178. Run kitna hai Muda? Run to 1. 59 is the score after the completion of 8 overs. Remember, Pulwama Gymkhana are chasing 178 runs. Muslim Soeb says, Dhamma umpire. This is not appropriate to say right here. You can come and talk to them and sort out any of the situation, any of the controversy that has ever taken place. Arif Nabi says, Asif bhai, मैं बासान सेल छु साल छु खमुत ज़्यादा. Muslim Sohaib, roll number 3. Wani Rohan, Johad Trag ne out liya koi nahi. Johad Trag, he bowled well, but he could not take any wicket. The wickets who fell today in the form of Akil, who was caught by Sohail Pal at slip. The next to go was Adil Rishi, the captain, who was caught by Sohail Pal at square leg region. And the next one, they both were taken by Junaid Dar. The last to go was Asif Ramzan, who was clean bowled by Wasim Raza. 59 for the loss of 3 wickets after 8. So, Choni phone lagun tanzila hoy. Mic pachi. Stand mani mo brungot pam left-hander ko. Ayya bag left-hander thar. Amir Aziz. Amir Aziz, who has come at number 5. Is it cricket hero? This one has been heaved by Rob Bashir towards long on region. Superb effort by Gully Gulzar there. Single cruise. Irshad Bashir is watching from Saudi Arabia. He is sending us his love from there. Thank you very much. Jahangir Nazir Asif Ramzan ne kitna kiya. We will be sharing with you in a moment. Muslim Sohaib, roll number 5, roll number 4 waiting. There is depth in batting. Still Nazir Tagar, Saqib Nazir, Zahid Dar and many others are to follow. But let's wait and see. A good partnership is needed. Outside the off stump, plays defensively. They are looking for a single. No. Sent back. Rob Bashir is Amir Aziz. There cannot be any runs. Here is Gawar Legi once again. Outside option, he plays it across. They are looking for a quick single. No. Superb effort by Wasim Raza. Out. He's gone. Rob Bashir is gone. Run out. Roll number 4 is loading. Yes, Muslim Sohaib. He was loading and he's gone. Babu Khan says, Oi. Malik Hassan says, send slow. Malik Hassan wants to know Yasir Kulgami is not playing today. If he writes Adil Rishi kitne runs banai, we will be sharing with you everything. Just hold on for some time. After the departure of Rob Bashir, it is Miran who has walked at number 6, wearing jersey number 1. Meanwhile, the next one has been played by Amir Aziz, who bowled a superb spell today for a single. Yes, Sukumar Wanta Bada. on the middle and leg stump. This delivery from Gawhar Legi played defensively by Miran. There cannot be any runs. Tausif Dar says, Kaifa Halaki. Tausif Bhai, please say in another language. We don't understand this. Adnan Bashir says, has mentioned Wani Adil and has sent his love. Mumin Saab says, roll number 5 start. Let's wait and see how far your predictions are coming right. This one has been played superbly by Amir Aziz to the sky leg region for 4 runs. Here is Wasim Raza once again to Amir Aziz. Amir came down the track, the ball took the edge of the bat. Went to no man's land. The fielder is running behind. It is Junaid Dar. In the meantime, batsmen have crossed over for a single. Muda Sikora, Muda. Muda. Here is Wasim Raza. Coming again, this one Miran was trying to make room for himself, trying to play the ball over the top, but got the inner edge of the bat, managed to play the ball with the follow through of the bowler. There cannot be any runs. Malik Imran, Rukkant Hoka. Mir Baba watching, thank you very much. Down the leg, it will be called a wide. Yes, it is. One more extra. Muhammad Ibad, you are capturing video from wrong side. We will be getting back to you very soon, because there is a left-hander playing there, which is creating a bit of problems by changing and rotating. We have seen the left-handers in the form of Akil, in the form of Wasim Ramzan, in the form of Amir Aziz. Rocky Jasim, remaining score plus balls. We will be updating score very soon. Please bear with us. Malik Imran says Asif Rasul hai. No, he is not playing. But Sahran, hold on for some time. Fayaz Ali Wani, Assalamu alaikum Murza. Kabhi invite karo. Humko bhi. This one has been played over the top, straight into the hands of Guli Gulzar. Wicket number 5 goes down. Miran could not trouble much as well. Fayaz Ali Wani. Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah from the core of my heart. A lot of times I tried that we will somewhere today have an event together, but the condition was not good. I was not well. There was an unfortunate event that happened to me a couple of months before. I was not in the business for a long time. I will be sharing that with you later on personally. I still hope that we have got a good season. We will share so many moments together. Malik Imran says Adil Wani hai. Yeah, he is playing. He is captain of Pulwama Gymkhana in today's match. Yeah, score one ta muda. Out to 5. 66 for 5. Pulwama Gymkhana tottering in the chase after the completion of 10 overs. Remember, they are to score 178 to win this match. This means that they still require 112 runs from the remaining 10 overs. Shakir Ali, the score is 66 for 5 after the completion of 10 overs. Remember, Pulwama Gymkhana are chasing 178 to win this match. Salpi Abid Bashir says, मैंने कहा था 160 is a good score. Absolutely right. 160 is a good total. When we kept in mind that they have two quality spinners, one in the palm of Wasim Raza, one in the palm of Gawhar Ligi. We all know what kind of damage Amir Aziz did to Dadu Rangers. When he was bowling, he bowled his spell, absolutely stunning spell. He did not give any kind of freedom. Although the runs that were scored in his spell were merely few, but just 15 of his 4 overs. Guess what? Guess who is on the crease now? It is Nazir Tiger. After the departure of Miran. Here we go, Nasir Tiger on crease, but he's on non-striking end. This one has been played by Amir Aziz. On the onside, there cannot be any runs. Score 66 for 5 after the completion of 10 overs. Closes the pace of the bat very quickly. They were looking for a quick single. It is Nazir Tiger who is making you dance. He will make you dance by quick singles and by teasing you in the middle of the ground. Here we go again. Nazir Tiger on crease. The first one, he slashed hard, very hard into the gap to the collision for 4 runs. He has announced his arrival. It's Nazir Tiger. We know that what he is going to do there. Why is he sent? Let us wait what he can does for his side. With this boundary, the score has gone up to 71 for the loss of 5 overs. 5 wickets. This one has been played defensively. This is good cricket from Nazir Tiger. Good strategy from him. After hitting a boundary, he played the ball defensively with soft hands and changed his side. This has brought Amir Aziz on the strike now. 72 for the loss of 5 wickets. This is 11th over in progress. Pasaldar. There's a bit of fielding change. Shakir Ali says, zoom karo, zoom karo. Just hold on for a second, brother. It is left-right combination which is doing the problem for us as well. Played defensively. Opened the pace of the bat. Played it quite easily with soft hands to the cover region. A single cruise. With this single, the score moves up to 73 for 5 after the completion of 10.5 overs. Tausif, it is 73 for 5. Last ball up, 11th over. Play defensively by Nazir Tiger. They will take a single. Yes, very easily because you know Nazir Tiger is on the crease. He is very quick. He is making you run very fast. With this, it marks the end of 11th over. It is 74 for 5. Ploma Gymkhana still require 104 runs of 54 deliveries. Tanzila said.
Good balance. My attention.
So we are back in the game. It is 79 for 5 after the completion of 12 overs. This one has been played by Nazir Tiger straight in the hands of fielder in the palm of Amir Sofi, who took a simple catch to dismiss Nazir Tiger. Tiger departs. 79 for 6. In fact, 83 for 79 for 6. Yes. Hello. Dawa. Mane out our half an corner out an hour. Our kish. Sukai. Yurika. Anke can use the water. Anke can use the time to the barak. Yeah, Anke kya Sahara kar bani aan bahar. Anke kya sir. Anke kya game chal cricket. Example photo akas bare ko. Nacho sawa. ठीक है ना? बाकी सब
मैं क्या कर
Here we go once again. Outside the stump play, defensively it is Saqib Nasir, the star of Pulwama, Gymkhana, the star of Pulwama. He has got a responsibility of his team, the responsibility which Guli Gulzar took. A similar type of responsibility. Can he does anything that will make him star once again? This one has been smashed by him in the air for some time, but this is gonna fall in no man's land before Guli Gulzar reaching to the ball. Saqib Nazir opened his account 80 for the loss of 6 wickets. Faisal Dar with a short quota of 1.3 overs, given away 9 runs and taken 1 wicket. Arshid Yusuf, inshallah, win my heart team, Tadu Ranger. The team which plays well will win definitely. Down the leg, it will surely be called a wide. One more into the extras. The scorecard. It was Umar Hilal, who is known as Akil, who scored 3. Adil Rishi scored 24 of 11. Asif Ramzan 21 of 16. Rob Bashir was run out before he scored 19. 9 in fact. Amir Aziz is not out on 12. Outside of stump, beaten. Coming into the right hander. In swinger from Faisal Dar, who had his heart in his mouth. He was thinking for a while, oh my god, how has this ball messed the sticks? Miran Yusuf could not score any runs. He faced as many as 6 deliveries. The last to go was Nazir Tiger, who scored 7 after facing 9 deliveries. Here we go. Here we are back in the game. Faisal Dar to Amir Aziz. Down the leg, loud appeal. Not out. Ya tanjila Mr. Video cover legi tanjila. Here is Faisal Dar, who once again will be bowling to Amir Aziz. Amir Aziz lofted this one. There is a field running behind. Will he be able to cut it off? No, he doesn't. He missed the ball. The ball races into the fence for 4 runs. End up over number 13. It is 85 for 6. Dadu Rangers, when they were invited to bat first, Adil Guldan was the first to go, who did not score much. He scored just 6 runs. Sohail Pal scored 3. Amir Sofi, he was the star. He was lonely playing out in the middle there. Scored 48 up 26 with the help of 3 sixes and 4 fours. Adil Wani, the captain of side, he scored just 4 runs. Wasim Raza scored 8. Tasindar 9. Faisal 17. Gawhar Lagi 0. But the star which changed the fate of the game, it was none other than Kuli Gulzar, who scored 70 of 30 deliveries with the help of 7 sixes and 5 fours. Hello. Saqib Nazir walks back to the pavilion. The star, we were thinking that he is going to take his side through. He was trapped just in front of the wickets by umpire Anzar Khurshid, who had no hesitation whatsoever in giving him out. Saqib Nazir, one more dent, one more damage. Literally, we can say that Pulwama Gymkhana are tottering in the chase. Gawhar Lagi, he has bowled a tight spell so far. 3.1 over, 17 runs and taken wicket up. Saqib Nazir, it is Zahid Dar, 2 left-handers out in the middle there. Here is Gawhar Lagi, the magician. Comes and bowls. Oh, goodness me! How has he missed that? Zahid Dar would have been walking back to the pavilion without troubling us much. Once more, Gawhar Lagi comes and bowls. Oh my God, it is coming slow. He is not comfortable there. He was trying to play the sweep shot closer to the face of the bat. Very early, the ball took the edge of the toe. Luckily for him that it did not go in there. Here is Lagi once again. Wraps him on the pad. Height might be an issue. Half-hearted appeal from Junaid Dar. Arshid Yusuf writes 2023 में सारा सेमीफाइनल हारा हमारे टीम ने. This one, waited for this one, short bowling delivery, cuts well, but straight into the hands of Wasim Raza. There cannot be any runs. Muslim Sohaib writes another wicket loading. Asif Yusuf says, Arshid sir ji hai hamara. Asif sir ji hai hamara. This one played across the line, in the air, out of the park for 6. "36 more balls to be bowled, 87 runs to win. Look who is being given the ball. It is Amir Sofi. Amir Sofi, the elegant cricketer, has been given the ball. He will be bowling to the 2 left-handers, Zahid Dar and Amir Aziz, out in the middle there. Here we go. Amir Sofi from the college end, the only end that we are bowling from today. Loosener from him. Welcome, Amir Sofi. You are welcome on the land of Pulwama. The first one has been smashed for a maximum by Amir Aziz. The 6 has taken the score on 97 for the loss of 7 wickets. After the completion of 14.1 overs, Amir Aziz with that 6 moves up to 22. He has paced 13 deliveries with the help of 3 fours and 1 6. Zahid Dar is not out on 6 after pacing 5 deliveries. Here we go once again. Mir Farhan wants to know scorecard किस पे है. You can search on Cricket Heroes Royal Knockout Cricket Tournament Pulwama. Here is Amir Aziz once again. Amir Sofi to Amir Aziz, cuts straight in the hands of fielder Wasim Raza in the point. At point there cannot be any runs. Here is Amir Sofi once again to Amir Aziz. Amir Aziz once again. He went long way down, slashing his bat. The ball took the edge of the bat, went over leg slip for a couple. Rope lefty is lashing out at us. Rope, we are having problems with the 2 left-handers out here. We'll try our best to fix it, but what can we do? We'll have to keep in mind the fielding positions. Came down the track, the ball took the edge of the bat. They're looking for second run. Will they be looking? Yes, very quick run. Cleared, I think. Completed the second run as well. In aspiring Umi says, voice nahi aa rahi hai, brother. I'm checking on the other phone. The voice is good. One more bites the dust. The lone hope for Pulwama Gymkhana was Amir Aziz, who was starting today's bowling. He is gone. Amir Sofi strikes in his very first over. He has taken the wicket of Amir Aziz. Hanker cut.
आज क्या करिए कहीं मैं ट्रोवन आज क्यों कर रहा हूँ
Sarfaraz comes. This one by Amir Aziz has been played to the coverage and there cannot be any runs. End up over number 15. It's 97. Remember, Pulwama Gymkhana, they are chasing a huge total of 178 runs to win this match. ये रुआ हुआ अंजला ये रुआ हुई नहीं माने इसका One 0-1 for the loss of 8 wickets. It is the situation right now. Remember, Pulwama Gymkhana chasing 178 runs to win this match. Passeldar once again. This one has been smashed hard by Zahidar. The ball to get to the bat. Well to the celebration performance. This one has been played defensively. This one has been played on the onside, in fact, by Zahidar. A single accrues. With the single, the score goes up to 106 runs for the loss of 8 wickets. 15.3 overs have been bowled so far. Remember, Pulwama Gymkhana still requires 72 of 27 deliveries. Here is Paisal, comes and bowls to Sarfaraz. Sarfaraz plays defensively. There cannot be any runs. Zahidar is not out on 11. He has placed as many as 8 deliveries with the help of 1 boundary and 1 6. Here is Paisal once again to. Oh my God! What a shot he attempted. Sarfaraz came down the track, dancing down the track, smashed it hard towards the follow through of the bowler. Paisal, owner of an enormous height, a wide man. He gave his hand and the ball touched his hand, but he could not grab it in his hands. Could have been a superb dismissal. This one smashed hard in the air. It is going to play no man's land. Yes, it does. No, Zahidar is not interested in single. Sarfaraz will have to walk back to the non-striking end. End of over number 16, 106 for 8. (106) for the loss of 8 wickets after the completion of 16 overs. Remember, Pulwama Gymkhana still requires 72 runs of 24 deliveries. It is Zahidar and Sarfaraz out in the middle there. They will have to do something miraculous if they have to take their team out from this. Let's wait and see. Can that type of inning be repeated that was played by Guli Gulzar? Remember, he took Paisal for 31 runs in that over. That over was 16th or 17th over of the first innings. Here we go. Here is Jahid. Jahid will be bowling to Zahidar. Zahidar, oh my God, what a superb type of drive this is. But there is a protection in the deep. A single cruise and overthrow resulted in 1 more run. So 2 runs came in the form in the form of an overthrow. The score has gone up to 108 for the loss of 8 wickets. Sadoim. 70 runs to get off 23 deliveries. Just 2 wickets away. It is Dodo Rangers, which they are now in this match.
Ball Jahid.
Jahid with his daunting pace, superb pass delivery
Ball Jahid bhai.
to Zahidar. Zahidar was looking to
Ball
pull this one but could not get the elevation right. There cannot be any runs. 108 for 8. 16.2 overs have been bowled.
Well done, well done.
Here we go again. Is Jahid Trag wearing jersey number 1 will be bowling to Zahidar. Edge gone. Wicket number 9 goes down. When Muslim Sahib was saying wicket is loading, yes, it is wicket loading. You are getting it right. One more wicket down, and Dodo Rangers are right on the top. Mere formalities left in this match now. At one stage, when we thought that Pulwama Gymkhana are through, they are winning this match quite comfortably. They don't have to chase too much score to win this match. But Kuli Gulzar came, he conquered and went away before giving his side a formidable total, I would say. And now, in the bowling, it was Faisal Dar, Jahid Trag, Junaid Dar, Gawar Lagi, Amir Sofi, everyone contributed. We have seen Wasim Raza, how committed he was, what he was trying to convey with his body language. No matter what the situation of the match is, although they were in commanding position, but he was not letting anything loose. He knew that Zahidar, as far as he is on the crease, there can be anything that can happen. So Zahidar is gone. It means that the match is right now in your kitty. Anjala crowd of the Nera. 108 for 9. 16.3 overs have been bowled out. Jahid Trag, oh my god, full leg delivery. The ball making the sound of woo when it was passing the batsman. There cannot be any runs. Here is Jahid Trag once again outside the off stump. The batsman is beaten. There cannot be any runs as well. Faisal and Sarfaraz out in the middle there. 108 for 9. Pulwama Gymkhana still requiring 70 runs of 19 deliveries. Jahid Trag once again. Last time in this over. Outside off stump, beaten. Soda sa wicket keeper like. That's a pagal. That's a guy that behave barabar msi poetkin. End of over number 17. 108 for 9. It's a dead ball impact. Will still have to be bowled. Last ball of this over. Here is Jahid Trag for the last time in his over. The last ball of 17th over. Slashed hard, beaten. Is Faisal. There cannot be any runs. 108 for 9.
Hello. Okay, I'm back to round of one. Hey, Niyak Maklo last week one. All last month for you. मेरे को last week background of month पर बराबर कितना अच्छा भी नजर दो संचला पाचो अंचल तर फोटो किल्लीवर देतो मग तुझा सारी तुझं चिल्ड्रन तुझं सारी बॅट्समॅन सारी
Wasim Raza will be bowling 17th over of the innings. This one has been played by Sarfaraz into the gap. The ball is racing to the fence for 4 runs. This match is almost over now. Here we go. Once again played in the same direction, but this time wide of the fielder, who is fielding at short mid wicket, a deep mid wicket, in fact, a single cruise. With the single, the score has gone up to 113 for the loss of 9 wickets. 17.2 overs have been bowled. Here is Wasim Raza once again. Slow length delivery, just releasing the balls from his hands. Just releasing the ball from his hands and is making the batsman to look, play, giving them freedom to play. Is Wasim Raza with a smiling face for the first time we have seen in this match. Raza with a quicker one. This one has been played equally well by Faisal. He gave a smiling look back to the batsman. It is Wasim Raza. A single cruise. 114 for 9. 17.4 overs have been bowled. Here is Wasim Raza once again. In the air. Is this going to land in no man's land? Yes, it is going to fall in no man's land. Batsmen were not interested in taking any kind of single. 114 for 9. This game is almost over now. 64 needed of 13 deliveries. Pulwama Gymkhana totally outplayed, totally collapsed today in front of Dodo Rangers. Muslim Sahib, yes, the overs all out Pulwama Gymkhana. Let's wait and see. Your predictions have been very right. I think here it is. No. Here it is not. Jahid Trag is not able to concentrate on the ball. He was getting direct sunlight on his eyes, which could be dangerous at times. So he did well. 115 for 9. And over number 18. Pulwama Gymkhana 115. So Pulwama Gymkhana is all out on 134. They have lost the match by 43 runs. The last wicket fell in the form of Sarfaraz. Meanwhile, Dodu Rangers won this match by 43 runs. Someone had earlier the day predicted that Pulwama Gymkhana will score 134 runs. This is what has happened today. It's time to bid you goodbyes from here. There were good contributions from each and everyone as far as Dodu's bowling is concerned. They put 177 runs for 8 Dodu Rangers, but it was superb contribution from Guli Gulzar, who played superb knock-up, 70 runs up 30 balls. So it's time to say goodbye from here. Pulwama Gymkhana have been defeated by Dodu Rangers in an imported clash, which means that Pulwama Gymkhana bids goodbyes in this tournament. Thank you very much. Thank you for being with us all the time. It's time to bid goodbye from here. इन्हें को आजन तंजिला स्टार्टिंग फोन ही चुआ ना इन्हें करनी है तो उसका नहीं ये अत करा थोड़ा पत्ते